want to continue on in the idea of alignment.
We're heading
but
to
I want to add
Atlanta and
being ferocious.
Florida.
Yes, and we're taking
You and
Betty
I
Lou.
are going to need to
Yeah.
We're taking Betty Lou.
Cold chicken. You know how you hit Atlanta?
Traffic.
Traffic. We're almost there, and we made our rituals.
Yeah, we have like a little traveling tradition.
Yes.
So when we arrive at places, the first thing we do is go for a run.
Right, like literally we get out of the car and we put our shoes on and we run. Wherever, no matter where it is, where we are. Because we've been sitting in a car for so long that it feels good to run. And
we just like to run.
So we just ran. We're at a coffee shop. Where are we?
Woodstock.
Woodstock, Copper Coin. And we just made his oatmeal here. The lady let us use the microwave. And now we have lots of work to do. And he kicked my butt on the run. So I should let you guys know. You're about to be on my YouTube.
Oh geez.
This is Nikki, one of my best friends.
It's Dr. Nikki.
Oh, that's right, Dr. Nikki. Now I forgot. So we made it to Nikki's, and I hear them calling my name, and I come around the corner to this.
Oh my
He's getting adjusted. And then me next.
Oh, Candy. You're worse than him. It's probably because you self-cavitate though. None of that shit.
Ooh.
Woo!
Oh my
It feels
God.
so good though.
It does.
It's like a, after like, ooh.
Yeah, your nose is gonna drain. Take a deep breath in and let it out.
Oh.
Do you hear that?
Yeah.
We're at Heat in downtown Atlanta to work out with Ray. Make some pre-workout in the car.
This look, we got the grade A. The A1 right here. Papi, straight from Colombiana.
I'm ready.
Just a little
I don't know if they're ready, but we're gonna see. Let's go and shut up and train time.
That's my baby. That's my baby. That's my baby.
Three, two, go.
That's my baby. That's my baby. That's my baby.
I gotta say, I respect any trainer that'll just humble themselves and allow somebody else to take over the session. A lot of people won't do it. I extend an invitation to anybody come to Atlanta. Come get some. We shut up and train. We don't train egos. We train for goals over here. Let's go, y'all.
So we just finished with sprints.
Or did we
up
finish?
this hill. Oh, I mean, we didn't. You're
Yeah,
right.
we gotta finish the workout.
We got abs, and to finish the circuit, we didn't finish. And then that's it. How you feel?
I feel alive.
Alive. That's good. So we're at Target to wash our butts because we definitely didn't shower or anything before. Then we have your meetup. Then we hit the road, Pensacola. Good man, hold your purse when you say, can you hold it real quick? And you never say no or nothing. You just grab
It's
it.
just holding your purse.
I know.
What's the big deal?
So we pulled over on the side of the road because Robert has to pee, and I'm trying to edit, but my computer cuts off when it's not plugged in. So I got it plugged in to whatever this adapter is, but it's like not staying in. I had it rigged, so he had to put the car in park. I had to take my rig, how I rigged it up, out. So now I'm sitting here holding it while he's peeing until he can come place the water bottle back in its spot to hold it up. You done?
Yes.
I was in here struggling. Now the water bottle's back, so I don't have to hold it. So we're still in Alabama, aren't we? Yeah, Montgomery. And now this trip, this part of the trip from here to there, it's nothing but trees.
Boonies.
Yeah, the boonies, trees and grass. But we're just speaking on how thankful we are that we are blessed enough.
There's someone sitting in the cubicle right now, watching the clock, looking over their shoulder because they're looking at their phone. They're looking Facebook on their phone, and they're making sure their boss don't see them.
That's true.
That's somebody's. That's happening right now in someone's life.
And we just made our life to where we can do this.
I just peed a little bit on my foot in the bathroom on my flip-flops. Yes, in a random gas station in the middle of Alabama. On our way down
and
to
they were so sweet. Thank you. You guys have a nice day. When you come to the South, you know you're in the South, they got bull peanuts, homemade, all over the place.
This is
Here
life
we
right
go.
here.
I smiled to the guy, so I smiled. So we pulled over because the car was doing this. It was wobbling a little bit, yeah.
Like some sneakers in the dryer.
So I thought it may have been alignment, but we pulled over to check the tires, and we actually had a tire that had like no air in it. So when you look to check your tires, it's on the inside of your door for the PSI. Oh, it feels so good. That's nice. Are you coming to join me?
Yes, ma'am.
Uncle Robert. So, we made it in. I'm gonna hang out with my aunt and uncle. We're gonna chill, eat. We're tired. It's a long trip. It was a great day, long trip. But today I'm gonna end it, and we're gonna relax. And then tomorrow we got a lot planned. So, till next time. Bye.